Question 1 says, which function will have a greater output for the value for x equals 10? Explain your reasoning. We actually had this as our opener yesterday. And I'm hoping that you can automatically look at B because 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1.3, 1.3. So far they're the same. But at 2 goes from 2, 1.6 to 2, 1.69. So it's actually increasing. And so right off the bat right there, y'all, we should be able to identify which one's going to be going faster because even at 3 increases drastically faster, right? And so what I would have to make sure you have on this is something along the lines of this. Table B has a greater output at 10 as it is an exponential function where you can say something. Table B has exponential function as at 3 table A is at 1.9 when table B is at 2.197. So something along the lines of that. You can even create those equations like I showed you yesterday. Create a y equals mx plus b, the linear function equation for A, plug in 10 and solve. Create the exponential function for b, a times b to the x, and solve when x is 10, and you'll get that b is larger. 2, the formula for an account, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's just the compound interest formula. Right? So let's read the question here. It says, Carrie is considering depositing $1,480 into an account that pays compound interest. How much will her account be, or account if she receives 1.9% compound interest for 10 years, round year? So we actually kind of did this one already. We'll go ahead and create our equations here, right? And so our y-intercept is 1,480, sorry, okay? 1 plus, because we know we are increasing, we're looking at an increase amount of 1.9 divided by 100. And then we actually know our x as well, right? We're looking after 10 years, so 10. And so then you can go through this, right? When you divide by 100, you're going to end up with, so our y-intercept is still the same. 1.9 divided by 100 will end up giving us 0.019, and then add that 1. So we're at 1.019, and then to the power of 10. And so I will actually use my calculator here, okay? And we will bring that to a power of 10, which you end up with something like this, 1,480 times, I got 1.2071. Multiply those numbers together, so times 1,480, and your final answer ends up with $1,786.50. That's your final answer.